Hi everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Arnold Clark employee account. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in Arnold Clark employee login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will take you to the multiple search results as you can see on this interface. Now head over to the first link that says arnoldclarkemployee.com. So click on that. That will directly take you to the login page. Here enter your employee ID. Make sure you enter your valid and correct employee ID on this text field. And under that, enter your passphrase. Once you do that, click on login button. In case you don't have a passphrase, you can simply request for a passphrase if you click on this link provided here, and that will help you out. Now once you're done typing in your employee ID and your passphrase, click on login button, and on the next page you will be logged into your employee account. So that's how you can simply log into Arnold Clark employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials from our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.